Vermont is one of the most tenant-protective states in the country when it comes to habitability. So if you're a landlord here, you need to know exactly what's expected of you. Vermont's habitability requirements are primarily found in Title IX, Chapter 137 of the Vermont Statutes, which is the state's Residential Rental Agreements Act. On top of that, the Vermont Department of Health has its own Rental Housing Health Code, which adds another layer of specific standards landlords must meet. Under Vermont law, landlords must provide a dwelling that is safe, clean, and fit for human habitation. That means your property must have adequate heating capable of maintaining at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit, functioning plumbing with hot and cold running water, safe electrical wiring and fixtures, a weather-tight roof and exterior walls, working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and proper ventilation and sanitation. What sets Vermont apart is the Rental Housing Health Code. This goes beyond basic habitability and gets into specifics like minimum room sizes, adequate natural light, proper trash disposal facilities, and even lead paint requirements for properties built before 1978. Vermont takes lead paint especially seriously. Landlords must file an Essential Maintenance Practices compliance form with the state. If a landlord fails to maintain habitable conditions, Vermont tenants have strong remedies. They can withhold rent, make repairs and deduct the cost, pursue legal action for damages, or contact the Department of Health for an inspection. Tenants can also seek rent escrow through the courts, where rent payments are held by the court until the landlord makes the necessary repairs. Vermont also has a strong retaliation protection law. Landlords cannot raise rent, reduce services, or attempt to evict a tenant in response to a habitability complaint. Violations of this can result in significant penalties. For the complete guide to Vermont habitability laws, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com and subscribe to stay on top of every state's requirements.